how to screen record on your Mac with internal audio. So in this video, I'll show you how you can record your screen with the desktop audio as well. Now this will work on MacBook Pro and also MacBook Air. So all you need to do is load up an internet browser. In the search box, type in OBS Studio and press search. You could then click on this top website, which is obsproject.com. You then need to select your operating system, so mine's going to be Mac, and then go and select your Mac version. Now once it's finished downloading, click on your downloads folder and go and open up the downloaded file. You'll then need to drag the OBS application into the applications folder. You could then close out of this window. You could then come over to the applications on your computer and you'll need to go and load up OBS Studio. Now once the app's open, you'll get these notifications, press OK and allow. Now once you have OBS Studio open, you first need to come over to settings in the bottom right hand side. You could then click on output. Make sure the output mode is set to simple. You could then scroll down to the recording format and set this to MP4. You could then also select where you want to save your recordings to. Now I've just got mine set to my folder here. You could then click on video from the left hand side. Go and adjust your screen resolution. I like to set mine to 1920 by 1080. You can also click on audio. And this is where you can go and select your external microphone. So you can either have it set to your built-in mic on your Mac, or you can select an external microphone as well. Once you've applied all of these settings, you'll need to press OK. Now over on the bottom left-hand side, you should have a scene already created. If you don't see this, you can click on the plus icon and you can go and create a new scene. You then need to add a source to this project. So if you click on the plus icon, click on Mac Screen Capture, go and press OK. Make sure the method is set to display capture. Click on display and select your monitor. You can then go and press OK. Now everything you see in this preview window is what's going to be recorded on your screen. In order to capture the audio as well, you should see these volume sliders and you can go and turn them up to capture your desktop audio. If you don't see this or the audio's not working, you can always click on the plus icon again. Click on Mac Audio Capture, click on OK, and then you can just go and capture your desktop audio from here. And once again, you can adjust the volume slider in the mixer. Now to begin recording, you can just click on the Start Recording button. You may get a pop-up notification, just make sure to press Allow. Once you've done this, anything you now do on your Mac computer will be recorded. Once you're finished, just press the Stop Recording button, and that's how to screen record on your Mac with internal audio.